Solving inequalities involving absolute values. Solving inequalities involving absolute values involves finding the values of the variable that make the absolute value expression true. Let k be a positive real number and let a be an expression in terms of the variable x. First, we have absolute value less than k is equivalent to negative k less than a less than positive k. Second, we have absolute value of less than or equal to k is equivalent to negative k less than or equal to a less than or equal to positive k. Third, we have absolute value greater than k is equivalent to a greater than positive k or a is less than negative k. Last, we have absolute value greater than or equal to positive k is equivalent to a greater than or equal to k or a is less than or equal to negative k. Let's have an example of solving inequalities involving absolute value. Example number 1. Absolute value of 2x minus 5 is less than or equal to 7. Let's use the second theorem. Now we have negative 7 less than or equal to 2x minus 5 less than or equal to positive 7. We need to add positive 5 both sides to cancel out negative 5. And now we have negative 2 less than or equal to 2x less than or equal to positive 12. And now we need to divide 2 both sides to cancel out 2. We have the answer negative 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to positive 6. Therefore, the solution set is equal to negative 1 and positive 6. Close interval. Let's have another example. We have absolute value of x plus 3 greater than 4. Let's use the third theorem. Split the inequality into two cases. One for when the expression inside the absolute value is positive, and one for when it's negative. So we have A, x plus 3 is greater than 4. And B, we have x plus 3 less than negative 4. Let's solve first A. We need to add negative 3 both sides to cancel out positive 3. Or just simply isolate the variable. And now we get x is greater than 1. Now let's solve B. We need to add negative 3 and both sides to cancel out positive 3. And now we have x is less than negative 7. Now let's make a graph and plot the critical points and the test values on the number lines. We have an interval negative infinite to negative 7. an interval of positive 1 to positive infinite. Therefore, the solution set is equal to negative infinite to negative 7 union to positive 1 to positive infinite. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a lot.